Hello, good evening. Uh, I will show you kung saan paggamit sa loan calculator sa FICO. So example, mag-loan tag 20,000 for LAD, loan against deposit. That's 90% of your total deposit for a term of 12 months or 1 year. So atong i-evaluate kung pila ang interest for the whole 1 year. Ano siya itong i-present diri guys. So kani mo na yung result atong gi-generate. Mag-monthly kog 1721.33. So mo come up ni is nalang ko yung mga total interest na around 659. So 659 divided by 12 months, muna siya kung monthly nga interest nga gibayaran. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.